What if you can turn back time and find the financial freedom you've always dreamed of? Imagine not living paycheck to paycheck, not stressing over bills. Late 2023, I was buried in debt, failing at every business attempt and feeling hopeless. I've tried so many different business models in the past without success. I was scammed more than once. I was afraid of being judged and not feeling worthy. But you know what? I made the decision that I'm not going to quit on myself, my dreams, or my family. Here's where it changed for me. I found a blueprint through a friend. It walked me through setting up an automated business without having a following, without any tech skills. And what's even more exciting is that the company gives you a pre built system. 3 weeks later, I made my first $300 sale just because I implemented what I learned. Now I work 2 hours a day. I'm working towards financial freedom, paying off my debts, and it's given me my hope and my time back. If you are ready to rewrite your story, comment ready below and I will share the info.